2 pin. The 5 pin. Okay, let's disconnect. Now, let me figure out. Okay, press this one and release, and then you disconnect this way. Okay, remove this one. So the GPS is gonna go here and all the way from here inside this cable, and it's gonna go from that cable, and then it's gonna come out here. Connected, GPS, antenna, USB, and this is for back camera. So this one connects to this red one from the car. There you go.
Paul Bainham and 49-year-old Garden Knott.
Internet. We need to change this from system to new. I had to cut small area in here to fit it here, and now that's how it's gonna look like. Cable, this is gonna give the power, and now we're gonna connect. It's gonna go this way, it can't go wrong. Nope. Perfect. Now I just realize it's not locking properly, see? Because the main lock is missing. Show here. See, the locks are missing. That's it, don't come in your package. So I'll be taking out from my previous stereo all these locks and then put it there. Okay, these you need to use it from your previous stereo, and now we are ready. Go. All right. Okay. Now everything looks great, and I'll show you. And then I was also having issue with the camera, which I'm going to show you what's the issue and how to fix it as well. So everything looks great, everything works perfect, right? And then the issue that I am having is when you put this thing in a reverse, your camera is flickering like this, and it took me a good amount of time to figure out how to fix this. I did lots of googling, YouTube. I spent a lot of time in this one, but I finally know how to fix this. I'll show you how to do that. So go back to your settings, to factory settings, and the default password is 8888. Click OK and go to the protocol parameter settings, reverse camera format, and by default it comes with AHD/25. Now change it to NTSC PAL, and then that will solve your issue. There you go. Perfect. And this is looking amazing. Yep, there you go.